Y'all remember that jar of eggshells we crushed? You see, I got some more since last time. We about to use this today. I just planted my tomato plants and we're going to sprinkle it right on top of the soil. I just planted those yesterday and I forgot to sprinkle this on top of the soil. So that's what we're going to do today. So I have different varieties of tomatoes. I got some Better Boy, Heat Wave. I got a Marion. I can't see. Let me go around. Got my basil. They grow well with tomatoes. I got one on the other side of the spinach. There's another one. Some giant Belgium, German Johnson. What is that over there? German Pete, Mr. Stripey, and a Cherokee Purple. And I got two here. I'm trying something new. These are the viney ones. So I got the Sweet Million and the Ruggers. And I'm growing those upside down since they grow in a vine. I'm actually going to have it a little higher and see how that works out. Alright. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of eggshell. On top. And then I'm going to water it again. And it does work better when it's powdery. I'm going to switch hands. Just like that. And because we eat so many eggs, we eat about 5 or 6 a piece every morning. So this will fill back up quickly. And I don't have to do this all the time. And it'll soak right on it there. And again, it's why being crushed is so much better. Let's put a little bit more up here. Then I'm going to water it, and that's it, y'all. And you want to water at the root, but they're in the shade right now, so I'm not worried about the sun burning the leaves. But usually you want to water right at the root. And I'm going to check on these daily. And one thing about the tomatoes, if yours burst, I know mine started to do, like they'll burst at the bottom. I learned that when you don't water your tomatoes consistently, that this happens. You got to water them on a consistent basis so they're not overwhelmed with the water and end up bursting like that. And again, if y'all have tried this, let me know. They look pretty strong and sturdy right now. While we out here, I'm going to go check on my peppers. I got so many variety out here. Look at them. And I got some more growing over here by seed, because I'll find out what those are later. And because I grew my peppers here last year, look, there's some peppers. I don't think those are peppers. Well, I think they are. Look, in the corner, they started coming up in every corner of this garden bed. There's some over there. Then if you go to this corner, you got some more. So again, I don't know what those are. There's some more in here. But whatever I grew in here last year, when I just took them out and shook them and called myself cleaning it out, there's still seeds in here growing. So wherever you may have tossed your pepper plants, when you pull them up, you may have some peppers growing there, y'all. But thank y'all for joining. Love y'all. Bye.